Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to join the family, press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. My returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. In today's video, I want to make a hair grow, and you can see all the ingredients here. I have 3 egg here, and I have flour, milk, sugar. This is pink milk. It's our pink milk anyway. This one is 10% of it. I'm going to be mixing both of them together. And I have my baking powder, and this is nutmeg. Okay, those are the ingredients I'm using to make my egg roll. And I also have my egg here already in the fire, and this is my machine I'm going to be using to mix everything, because it will be easier for me to mix together. When you are using this one is very easy. Okay, now I will be starting mixing it with this machine. Keep on washing, guys. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. If you want to use only the milk, it's okay. Some people use also water, so feel free to use any one of your choice. If you want to use only this milk, this liquid milk, you can also use it. Okay, use any one of your choice, guys. Continue washing. Okay guys, as you can see, this machine, I mixed already the egg, so I will show you the rest of things later, guys. Sorry guys, I almost forgot to show you butter. Okay, butter bones without butter is not butter. Okay, so this is my butter. I will be adding it now to mix it together. You see it, this is my butter. I have to cut half of it. Really, I takes a little of it last time, so now I will be using half of this, because bones without butter is not butter, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I've finished mixing the flour, and now everything that is there before, that I showed you before, that is what I used. And salt, I forgot to tell you about salt, so I use my salt because I always use salt to mix my bones whenever I'm doing it. This is my egg roll. Now I will cover it for 30 minutes before starting frying it. See you guys later. I'm covering it now. 30 minutes time, we'll come back. Okay guys, now it's up to 30 minutes already. Now we have to start frying now. Okay, here is my egg, and here I put a little bit of oil. Why I'm using this oil, this is the oil I will be choking my hand inside to be cutting the bone, so that the egg grows, so that it will not come into my hand. It's very easy when you are using oil instead of using water. Some people use water, but I prefer using oil because I tried this way last time, and it was very okay for me. So I'm using oil because of this. My fry pan in the fire, and the oil is already inside. Okay guys, so now I will leave it at least for a few minutes to get hot. Not so hot, because if not the bones will get burnt. Continue washing, guys. Okay guys, this is the first pan of mine egg roll. You can see how it look like. It look beautiful, guys. Okay guys, here is the result of my egg roll, guys. It looks so fantastic, guys. The egg roll looks so fantastic, guys. It looks so fantastic. Now let's cut it and see how inside look like. Let's cut the egg roll. Voila, this is how my egg roll look like, guys. It looks fantastic. So natural, so super natural. Let me cut and this is the soft I want it to be, guys. I love my egg roll to be soft, you know. You let butter to get in, let butter to catch it very well, and your bones will come out very nicely the way you want it. I am so satisfied of doing these buns. This egg roll, I mean to say, I'm sorry guys, let me cut another one to, oh my god, this looks so super. Wow, this is lovely. Thank you guys for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Beautiful Shine TV. She will offer you more and more amazing content. Is more coming and coming. Thank you guys, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.